So, welcome back again guys sa ating channel. At sa araw na ito ay may nagtatanong kasi kung paano daw at ano ang requirements pabalik. So, ito ang ituturo ko ngayon. So, dito sinasabi, all Saudis must submit a negative result PCR test from a verified laboratory. Ito yung tinatawag na ito yung swab test, and it must be done no later than 72 hours before the scheduled departure to PSA. So, within 72 hours, kailangan valid siya. So, pagka hindi valid, kailangan nyo kumuha na naman. So, mag-rebook na naman kayo, no? Printed certificate from a verified lab with the passenger's name, passport, or ID verifies that the passenger tested negative within 72 hours before STD. So, kailangan within 72 hours. So, passenger must be tested at a government-accredited COVID-19 health facility. So, all arriving passenger will undergo 7 days self-quarantine at home, 3 days for health practitioner with negative PCR result at the end of self-quarantine period. All passengers arriving PSAs must comply an updated health disclaimer form in flight. So, in flight bago pa lang kayo, before landing in KSA, kailangan meron na kayo. So, ito yung, i-download nyo lang yung latest. Ito yung download the latest version of health declaration form. So, itong, ilalagay ko na lang sa description yung pinaka-link nito para ma-download nyo itong latest version of health declaration form. So, ito yan guys. Ito yan. So, meron siyang English. Ito nakalagay dyan kung ano, do not have respiratory, will comply, register and assign, monitor, stay home, I admit, I agree. So, pag binasa nyo na, ilagay nyo na, fill upan nyo ng pangalan, date at signature. So, kailangan yan. Dito sa taas, full name, resident address, arrival, at saka phone number, ID, lahat ng nakandito ay kailangan nyo fill upan. So, meron din siyang Arabic. So, dito ka sa English. Hindi mo alam yung Arabic, di ba? Ayan yung form na sinasabi. Disclaimer form. So, ang kailangan lang at ito pa ang kailangan na requirement ng Saudi. The guidelines are required include the following. All guests must complete the signed health condition requirement, commitment for and deliver the airport health control center upon arrival. Ito yung yung disclaimer. So, all guests will undergo home self-quarantine for a period of 7 days, 3 days for health practitioner with a negative sample and end of the quarantine period. All guests must install and register Entitaman and Tawakal na application. So, kailangan mag-register kayo dito. I-download nyo lang ito sa Play Store. So, kailangan mag-register kayo para sabi ito, must locate their home on Tetaman application with 8 hours of arrival. Guests should monitor the symptoms of coronavirus and call 937 immediately if any of the symptoms appear or visit health center emergency when necessary. So, guests should log in. Kailangan mag-log in kayo Tetaman application araw-araw and perform day health check. Guests should comply the precautionary measure according to the health condition requirement commitment form. So, Saudi also announced the requirement for traveling to the following 25 countries. Ito yung 25 countries, kasama na tayo dyan. Ito tayo. Philippines. So, iyan lang, ganun lang kasimple. Yun lang ang kailangan natin, ang 72 hours na PCR at itong disclaimer. So, kailangan itong fill upan lang. Ibibigay ito before to bago ka makarating dito. Sa Pilipinas pa lang ibibigay nitong disclaimer form na ito para ma-fill upan mo. Then, ito naman yung mga list ng Department of Health Facility Service Regulatory Bureau. List of licensed testing laboratory in the Philippines. Hindi ko na binanggit noon. Ayan. So, marami dyan. Manila, Quezon City, Mandaluyong, Muntinlupa, Quezon City. So, marami yan. Itong link na ito, ibibigay ko na lang sa inyo. La Union, Ilocos, Cagayan, Pampanga, lahat, Bulacan, Tarlac, Cavite, Batangas, Rizal, Camarines, Aklan, Capi, Cebu, Bohol, Zamboanga, Davao. Lahat ay nandyan, Lanao. So, mamimili lang kayo kung saan kayo magpapatesting. Ayan mga accredited to na mga license. Yan. Pwede kayo magpatest yan. Okay guys, itong link na ito, ibibigay ko na lang sa description ko para matingnan nyo o ma-download nyo kung kailangan nyo. Pati itong isang ito. Ibibigay ko na lang ilalagay ko na lang sa description ang disclaimer na ito para ma-download nyo din. At itong site na ito ay ilalagay ko din para makita nyo, mabasa nyo, para matandaan nyo din. So hanggang dito na lang guys, at hope may natutunan kayo. At pwede kayo magtanong kung may mga tanong kayo. Okay guys, thanks for watching and good luck sa pagbabalik dito sa Kingdom Arabia. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko para at i-click ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga bagong upload kong video. Maraming salamat and thanks for watching.